I have to show you something. Renpho sent me their new AI smart bike, and we're going to put it together right now. But first, we need very minimal tools, i.e. scissors. Let's do this. What makes this bike so unique is that Renpho powered it with AI. So every rider gets a customized experience based on your own biofeedback that the bike takes for you, which is so cool because every rider gets a custom experience. The resistance automatically adjusts in any program that you're doing according to your biofeedback, which is pretty awesome. The real ride feel automatically adjusts to any range of motion. So pedal faster to feel less resistance and more momentum, or pedal uphill and you'll feel the resistance automatically grow. And done. That was so easy, but let me show you some of the awesome things about this bike. There are 3 key points of adjustment for comfort: handlebar height, seat height, and seat distance. The seat is bigger and more cushioned than a lot of the competitors. It's very comfy. Their AI app also comes free with every purchase, and on there are tons of free workouts led by fitness industry professionals, as well as scenic rides for more leisurely activity. The bike also pairs via Bluetooth with all of these apps. Oh, it's also a lot more affordable than a lot of the bikes on the market right now. I am so excited to start riding. I will be posting updates and accomplishments and also taking part in the Renpho Health Hero Challenge. If you have any Renpho products, it's an open challenge for everyone. All you have to do is use this hashtag and tag Renpho. And I hope you're all excited too. If you're interested in checking one out for yourself, check the link in my bio.